Today, I'll show you step by step how to use artificial intelligence tools to create your own anime character and bring them to life like this. And the best part is that it's surprisingly simple and completely free. If you're ready, let's bring your dream character into reality together. Our first step, create an avatar for your video. There are multiple tools available to generate the avatar. You can use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Lexica Art, or any other image generation tool. I am going to use Leonardo AI. You can create account and use with free credits. Let's start by deciding on our character's basic features: hair color, eye color, and outfit. For example, we might design a character as Blondie, wearing a yellow sweatshirt with hoodie and black sunglasses. We don't forget to add our negative prompts for a better output. You can find this prompt in the descriptions. You can make changes to your prompt and generate them again. Now, let's download the image here. Second step. Now we use Artflow AI. This tool's animation capabilities bring characters to life through text-to-speech, lip-sync animations, and camera movements. This opens up possibilities for animated storytelling and interactive content creation. This tool enables you to design full-body characters with consistent appearances across various scenes. After you click Create Video, a workspace will appear. Go to the Upload tab on the left side of the panel and upload your character from your computer. Within a few seconds, you will see your character in the middle panel. Artflow AI will automatically detect your character's face. At this stage, you can add effects to your character and make the necessary adjustments. Now, let's write the text we want our character to read into this dialogue input section. You can also change your character's voice if you wish. And you can preview how it speaks before generating the output. After making all our settings, we click on the Export and Animate button. It will ask us to enter a title. Once we input the title, the artificial intelligence starts creating our video. If you enter a long text, the export time will be extended. We stay on this screen and wait for the result. We've created our talking character in just 2 minutes. In this video output, there is a watermark in the top left corner. Don't forget to watch my video on how to remove the watermark from your videos. Let's take a look at the final result. You can use this method to create faceless videos. So if you're interested in more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.